Hello everyone, how you guys doing? It's me, your sister, the one and only. So I'm back from work this evening. You know, my first video that I make how to make akara and akamu, or what they call it, pap. You know, that time I have some leftover beans that I already blend. I have some leftover, so that leftover is what I fry now. Look at it here. I fried the leftover. You know that I pack it in a food pack and I put it in the fridge. So I brought it out this evening. I did it on Saturday, yes, I think. So I kept the leftover in the fridge on Saturday, and this is it. I fry it now and I make another pack here. Okay, this is what I'm going to eat now for my dinner. Don't want to eat swallow, not every day swallow. I said today no swallow, so let me finish my akara. Okay, I just make it this evening. So no swallow today, no puree, no padanyam, no starch, not eba. I don't even eat eba. No, I can't swallow eba, I guess, because of the seed inside. So semo no, starch no, padanyam no. I'm going to eat this one today. Okay, this is my dinner. Light one, light food. Let me finish it. Enjoy with me, my people. Enjoy with me. What do you mean, girl? It's water, okay? So you can do the same. You can do the same. We cannot finish the blended beans that very day. Put in the container, put in the fridge. Just keep it in the fridge like 1 or 2 days. You still fry it. Okay? It's still the same thing. It's the same, no changes at all. Okay. Plenty, eh? It's very plenty. So I think I will not finish it. I'll leave some there if anybody wants. Okay? Okay, my people. Let me end it here. I enjoy my akamu, okay? Hello, my people. It's finished on the plate, eh? Finish. I finished everything. Last one. Yummy, yummy, my people. Yummy, yummy, huh? Okay. See you. Got this. Yummy, yummy. Just You can also use it to eat bread, you know? Bread. You open your bread, put inside, cover it. Very sweet. I use it to eat bread. I use it to eat garlic, you know? Garlic. I use this akara to eat garlic. So garlic in the put water in the garlic. You know garlic and yellow garlic or white garlic. So it put sugar or put salt. It's so good. You can use it like that. So the pap I make now is 2 spoons of this corn flour. I make 2 spoons of this corn flour. That is corn flour. I put 2 spoons. 2 spoons full for pot. And I mix it with milk, liquid milk and pink milk. And I add my sugar, add a little bit water. I stir it together as I did it before, you know. So I just finished 2 spoons of corn flour, 2. That is what I make, and I finish. That's what you saw when I was showing it at the beginning. Okay, that is gauge for 1 person. If you don't eat too much, you can put 1.5 spoon. Okay, so it will be enough for you. So that's it. I've enjoyed myself. I put the rest. I can't finish it. Thank you guys for watching my video. Give this video a thumbs up and share to your friends and family. Help me support your sister. That's all you can do for me, my people. Share the video. Give it thumbs up. Comment. Comment and support your sister. Look at my natural hair now. This is my natural hair. I weave it by myself on Saturday. Yeah. I weave this hair by myself on Saturday. This is natural hair. It's virgin hair. I've not put relaxer. So I just pour water on it this evening as I came back for work. That's how you can see it like this. I make this hair by myself on Saturday. So when I'm going to work, I put on my wig. Just like this. When I'm back from work, I take off my wig. That's it. So this is my natural hair and my natural look. Okay, my people. See you guys. Bye for now.